ahead and talk about forgiveness. I've touched on it in prior videos. There he is. My little precious baby is an example. We scold our dogs. We do things in our life. We scold our dogs. We do things in our life. We say things. And I'm going to touch on that in this video. And then we have regrets. We have a hard time forgiving ourselves. And you have to. You must. The problem with having pent-up resentment, even if it's towards yourself, the past, is a problem because resentment is such a thick, heavy, negative energy, lower vibrational, and you're getting negative feedback from the universe, God. You're not getting punished by God, however, you're creating a block that doesn't allow Spirit to send you your regular evidence, signs, and messages. That you need to navigate through this earthly plane. And what I do is I literally will apologize to my dog out loud, give him kisses, and there's an unspoken language that goes on between humans and animals. I happen to speak fluent cat and dog, so I don't have a problem with that. However, if you don't, a simple apology, a kiss on the forehead will do. As far as words, I just had this conversation with an enlightened being, one of my close friends, and words have power. I say that in almost every video. However, what you put out, you get back. Boomerang effect. But words can cast a spell on another person, whether you mean to or not. For instance, you know when someone kind of comes up to you at work and goes, God, you look really bad today, you look really crappy today, what happened? Did you have a rough night? That in itself is a spell. Now, I'm not trying to be over the top or be crunchy, preachy. I'm not trying to do that here. However, you have to be careful what you put on to someone else and what they put on to you. Protective measures, white light yourself, bathe yourself in a white light, even if you have to go into a bathroom stall and sit down for a minute, do it. Do our cleansing technique, our brush off and throw out into the universe, super important. You can pray it off, depending on what your religion is. You can breathe in for 8, hold for 8, breathe out for 8, and just pretend that you're taking a bath in a rainfall.